You know what's funny? Almost every social media tool promises the same thing: save time, grow faster, schedule everything in one place. After hearing that for the 100th time, they all start sounding the same. So when I first looked at Metricool, my first thought wasn't, this looks amazing. It was, okay, what makes this one any different? If you're thinking the exact same thing before spending your money, you're asking the right question. Here's what I figured out pretty quickly. Metricool isn't some magic button that's suddenly going to make your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn explode overnight. If that's what you're hoping for, you're probably going to be disappointed. What it actually does is organize the messy part of creating content, planning posts, scheduling them, checking analytics, and seeing what's working without jumping between 5 different apps all day. Now, here's the part nobody really talks about. Most creators don't quit because they run out of ideas. They quit because the workflow becomes exhausting. One app for editing, another for scheduling, another for analytics, another for hashtags. After a while, you're spending more time managing content than actually creating it. That's where a tool like Metricool starts making sense. But let me ask you something. How often are you posting every week? If you're uploading one video every couple of months, honestly, I don't think you'll get much value from paying for another subscription. But if you're running multiple social accounts, working with clients, or trying to grow a business through content, saving even 30 minutes a day adds up faster than most people realize. One mistake I see all the time is people paying for software before they even have a content system. A scheduling tool can't fix inconsistency. It can't create better ideas, and it definitely can't replace good content. It just makes an existing workflow smoother. That's a big difference, and it's something a lot of reviews completely skip over. So, would I pay for Metricool? I wouldn't buy it because someone on YouTube called it the best social media tool. I'd buy it if I reached the point where managing content was taking more energy than creating it. That's when the subscription starts paying for itself. Before you pull out your credit card, ask yourself one simple question. Is content creation slowing me down, or is content management slowing me down? Your answer will probably tell you whether Metricool is worth it. Now I'm curious, what's the one thing that wastes the most time in your content workflow right now? Planning, scheduling, analytics, or something else? Let me know in the comments because I have a feeling everyone's bottleneck is different.